All right, hey, we're out here in the garage. We're gonna paint the tire rack for the RV. So welcome. Hey, here's the last episode on how to put this thing together. We're gonna paint it and we're gonna put it together and show you that. That's it then, this project be done. So don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Number one when you're painting is clean. So we're gonna wipe down the metal. We wiped down the other part already and wipe this one down. Well, there you go. Wiped it down. We also wiped down this other part over here. So got to get our respirator on and get going on some paint. We'll go stir up some primer. All right, we're shaking our primer. Just got to use a second can. I think one can's enough, but see this one? The ball barely moves. You got to get those balls moving in there. It says 20 minutes flash off time, so we'll put a coat, we'll wait, then we'll put another coat. All right, remember, always wear your PPE. You don't want to be spraying this stuff and breathing it in. A little bit of, won't be able to hear me say on now, but we're getting this on. Hat. Long sleeve shirt, keeps it off of us. It's a nice shirt, it's an old work shirt from another company, so hey. Alright, let's see what we can do. Get some more light. Alright, we'll be back when it flashes off. Do another coat. It's tacky, so we're going to shake for a while and get another coat, get our PPE out. All right, we're going in the house to wait for this to dry. Probably going to be a couple hours, or at least an hour. Catch you later. Hey, we're back. We're going to do the color now. We'll shake this for a few minutes. All right, see you in 20 minutes for the next coat. All right, we're back for another coat. So we're gonna finish her up here. Dried real nice, so we're gonna let it dry all week before we put it on. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. We painted it. We used the Rustoleum. So we'll see how close it matches the RV next weekend. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll show you the final mounting. Just like that.